What it do, too? This your boy Jay. Now rocking with All Work No Play. Come back in with another video for y'all. The continuance of the video from the other day, where I'm finna get ready to put this piece on right quick. I got the I went uptown the day after the video was uploaded, and I went up there and got that part, that purge valve that I was telling y'all about, the reason the car had an air leak. And when I get this old one off, I'm gonna show y'all the difference in between the two. From when I told y'all, get this light. When I told y'all how it's supposed to be, one has an air leak and the other one, you know, the new one is closed up. So I'm finna show y'all the difference between that. Let me see if there's anything else I need out of here. Yeah, flies, damn. No, I thought the other piece on the other bone. But yeah, show y'all the difference in between the two. Hope everybody had a blessed day. Hope everybody continue to have a blessed day and a blessed night throughout. You know what I mean? Like I said, like I told y'all the other day in the last video, boy, back on the grind, man. Back on the grind. But yeah, like I said, we gotta take this cover off right here. Take loose this. Did we have to unhook this piece? That was just for the throttle body. So this piece you don't have to worry about. So it's just pretty much this cover. Take your air filter cover off, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this now. Well, I'm thinking about it, cause that piece right here aggravate. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, you kind of need both hands for this. So, matter of fact, since we already got this out, see how that, like I said, I don't know if y'all can really see the end on it this time. See, it's kind of shaped like a star. See, it got all them red teeth around there. So, and there go the boat again, in case y'all didn't get a good look at it in the last video. It's shaped kind of weird, man. Like it's like a circle, or so to speak, like a Phillip with a Y in it. So, don't get me in line. I ain't even feel like putting it back in there. I mean, it ain't like it's gonna go nowhere anyway, because it's up under the hood of the car, so it ain't gonna fly off even if it's loose. And then plus it got well, I'll show that to y'all if I get ready to pull it up right quick. It has 1, 2, I know 3. I know it got 3 of. Oh, let me see. Y'all might not can see it, ain't for sure. I don't think y'all can see it from there. But y'all heard like that little pop. See a little rod right there? See, it got like little ends on there to sit down on. It'll snap on there. So even if it's even if it don't got that bolt in there, it ain't gonna come off. Now this the part I hate too. Taking the damn oil cap off. The oil cap sits so down flush in there, and see what I'm saying? Oil cap didn't come all the way off. I gotta pull that out, but I ain't worried about it as long as I got it off. Okay. And let me see. Like I said, hold on, y'all. I need both hands for this real quick, Nick. So hold on. Okay, got this off. So pretty much you basically pull this red tab up, and that little black tab in the center. Take your thumb or your nail or your thumb and just mash down on it, and it'll release that lever right there. Hope y'all can see it moving. It releases that. So yeah, man. Let me damn, I should have brought my other set of keys out here. Give me a minute, y'all. I might have to fast forward y'all real quick, Nick. Give me a few. show y'all this right quick too. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts, and loosen this up. And that should be it, right? Should be it. Give me a few minutes. Hold on, y'all. I'm cutting it. Make sure y'all turn the right way. Bam, there it is. Alright. So you got my air filter cover off. Now, like I said, I cleaned my throttle body. And let me see. Now I might have to take that bitch back off. As a matter of fact, I might have to take this throttle body out too, because the piece I'm trying to get to is back here. So let me take this throttle body off and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Okay, y'all, we got that got the throttle body, y'all. And this is the piece I'm talking about right here. I take this line off, which has something to do with your fuel. I think it's one of your fuel lines. Disconnect that from right here. Disconnect this clip right here. So I know this clip right here, you gotta mash down on it. Mash down on it, pull it off. It came off kind of easy last time. I'm gonna have to take this one off first. Make sure that motherfucker unlocked. And they put these things in so damn small spots, man. It's crazy. You gotta try to fit your hand and put up in these spots. Okay, that's a line. Put you right there. And this one thing, you got a clip or something on the back or something on it. Thought it did. How the hell did I get this thing out last time? I think I took the bolt off first, then I get it off. And I think each bolt on here is a 10, right? Yeah. I don't know if how good y'all can see it. Each bolt on here is 10 millimeter from all four in your throttle body to the single one in this one. I'm gonna get this old one out too, so I can show y'all what I was talking about. It felt pretty good today outside, man. That's one reason. That's a whole nother reason I came outside and went ahead and did this. But the weather was halfway decent. Take it out for a second. Yeah, so it's a clamp back here. Alright, y'all. Hold on, right quick. Let me get the new one out real quick. Okay, y'all, if y'all remember, I might have to get y'all turned around this way right quick. Hopefully y'all can see me. I ain't for sure how good y'all can see me, but on the camera is kind of, hold up. Alright, this is the new one, this the old one. Y'all remember the old one? Got air. The new one, nothing. So, like I said, gonna get this changed, and hopefully that'll be the end of that little sputtering problem that I had. So let's go ahead and get this thing put back on right quick. got this thing back on here, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all now. I know when you first, if y'all like for the ones who did have to change, they that particular piece, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all now. I ain't gonna necessarily say it's gonna run funny, but it is gonna run. I say for the first maybe hold on, let me scrape my tripod thing. For the first I say for the first maybe okay, damn, that came out the old one. I was gonna say damn. Yeah, for the first maybe 30 minutes to an hour or so, your car gonna run a little bit different. And what I mean by different, it'll probably, hold on, let me see if it's gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show you better than I can tell you. Oh, hold on, quick, let me see what it's gonna do. And see, like I said, that check engine light gonna stay on too, so let me know my hood up. Okay, so it didn't do it that time. I know when I first took that piece off in that last video, when I first took that piece off, when I put it back on, it had my car like idling, like it'll aisle up, then it'll go back down, aisle up, it'll go back down. And then I had left out to go grab something to eat. So by the time I drove it out, came back to the house, it had to start at normal. So I guess everything gotta, you know, reconnect itself, and it didn't do it at all that time. So I guess that, hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully that was the problem. Yeah, y'all. Hey, that was a piece. I need to go get the thumbnail real quick. That was a piece though. Oh, damn boat fell like it was an old boat anyway. Y'all see that shit? Hello, y'all. See something real quick. Y'all. That was the problem. That was the problem. Had to bootleg that thumbnail real quick for y'all. Hopefully it came out good. If it ain't, yeah, I'll put it. I cut it out of another scene or something else. But yeah, though. But I still ain't gonna really know. I probably still ain't gonna really know it's really fixed. I probably still ain't gonna know whether it's really fixed or whether it really worked until I go put some more gas in. So that's what I'm gonna do later on tonight. And y'all, I ain't even show y'all this. I'm still gonna have to, at least it ain't my big grill. Y'all can see right here, man, some more damage. And I ain't even tell y'all about that, man. Another damn raccoon. And see, it ain't bad though. It's just that crack here, this crack here, and I'm missing my chrome piece right here. I mean, I don't like it. I'm still kind of upset about it, but at the same time, I'm not as upset because it's not that much damage as the first two incidents that happened to it. So I ain't as fired up about it, but I still want to get my shit fixed though. I still don't like that. But other than that, hey, we going up though. Like I said, new year, new beginning, new thing, man, new goals, and we getting to them. Start with these two right here. If these two objects right here don't take me off the ground, man, hey, want nothing will. Along with God, along with my hustle, my grind that I put in it, along with my support system through family, friends, you know what I'm saying, through y'all, support system through y'all, the supporters on my channel, man, hey, like I said, I love every single one of y'all. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. And the next video hopefully will be a little bit of content on this old girl here, because I need to go ahead and figure out what's up with my lights. And if I don't start on it today, I might start on it. They say it's supposed to rain a lot this week. They say I think rain supposed to come in tomorrow. And the last time I looked at my weather app on my phone, it had it for the first 3 days of next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I don't know how accurate that is. I don't know if we're gonna get every single day or not, but if I don't get started on today, as far as put my index back in, I'm gonna put my index back in my box, man. I gotta have my screens in there, so y'all stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like, share, subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe, man, because we're going up this year. We is. That is gonna try to be one of my goals this year. I'm gonna go ahead and try to run these subs up, man, run supporters up, and go ahead and get my 1,000 subs on. So you can go ahead and get monetized and keep on going from there. So salute to all y'all, man. One love, for real. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. To the next one, y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Jay. We rocked out with All Work No Play. Salute.